Good morning, students. Welcome to the class 4th, and I'm your GK teacher and going to teach you GK. So today we will read chapter 1, Unusual Animals. So what are the unusual animals? Our earth is full of different kind of animals. We come across them as cattle, stray animals, insect, birds, water animals, reptiles, etc. A variety of animals shows unusual behavior which cannot be expected by human. So these are some animals. So we will read about them, the special features. So about the ostrich. An ostrich can run faster than a horse, and the male ostrich can roar like a lion. A male ostrich can roar like a lion. And now about the octopus. And if an octopus is hungry enough, it will eat its own arm. If octopus is hungry, it will eat its own arm. And about the hippo, when hippo are upset, their sweat turns red. And this is the giraffe. Giraffe rarely sleep more than 20 minutes in a day. Giraffe only sleeps 20 minutes in a day. And next one, a newborn kangaroo. The penguin. The penguin is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly. Penguin can swim but it cannot fly. About the kangaroo, a newborn kangaroo is about 1 inch in length. It is only about 1 inch in length. Cockroaches. Cockroaches can go without eating for 3 months as long as they have water. Now the male penguin. This is the female penguin and the next one is the male penguin. The male penguin incubates the single egg laid by his mate during the 2 months period. He does not eat and lose up to 40% of his body weight. Next one is bird. Birds do not sleep in their nest, but they actually sleep in other places. And next one is tigers. About the tigers, no two tigers ever have the same stripes. No two tigers have the same stripes. Next is an elephant can smell water up to 3 miles away. An elephant can smell water up to 3 miles away. The next one, beaver's teeth never stop growing. It always grow. So next one is the common silkworm has 11 brain. It only uses 5 of them. Silkworm have 11 brains and it only uses 5 of them. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Penguins can be killed by feeding them uncooked rice because their stomach can't handle the carbohydrates. Uncooked rice swells in their throat and choked them. Next one is, if you cut the head of the cockroach, it will continue to live for up to many more weeks. Is it clear? The next one is about the rabbit. The only 2 animals that can see behind themselves without turning their head are the rabbit and the parrot. Rabbit and parrot can see behind without turning their heads. And next one is snail. About the snail. Snails can sleep for 3 years without eating. Next one is the ant can lift 50 times of its own weight and can pull 30 times its own weight. Next one is about the cats, camel and the giraffe. Cat, camels and giraffe are the only animal in the world that walk by right foot, left foot rather than right foot, left foot and the right foot. And next one is about the scorpion. Scorpion, if a drop of liquor gets on the scorpion, it will immediately commit suicide with its own stinger. Next and the last point is about the mosquito. Male mosquitoes are vegetarian, only the female bites. Male mosquito do not bites, only the female mosquitoes bite the human beings or the anybody else. Today we finish chapter 1, unusual animals. You will read these points about these animals and learn it. These are the animals. Okay. Students, one thing I also want to tell you that these days are very tough. So you don't go out for any work. Stay home, stay safe and do your study. Okay. Good day, students.